Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the perfect laser tape measure. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the perfect laser tape measure for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Find link in the description box below. In today's fast-paced world, precision and efficiency are paramount, especially when it comes to measuring spaces. The perfect laser tape measure stands out as an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. One of the key features of this laser tape measure is its accuracy. With a measuring range of up to 100 feet, it ensures precise readings with minimal error. This makes it ideal for various tasks, from home renovations to construction projects. The built-in digital display is easy to read, providing measurements in both imperial and metric units, catering to all user preferences. Portability is another significant advantage. Compact and lightweight, the perfect laser tape measure easily fits in your pocket or tool belt, making it convenient for on-the-go measurements. Additionally, the one-button operation simplifies usage, allowing even beginners to get accurate readings quickly. Durability is crucial in any tool, and this laser tape measure is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Its robust casing protects against drops and impacts, ensuring longevity. Finally, the perfect laser tape measure often includes useful features like area and volume calculation, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. If you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and accurate measuring tool, the perfect laser tape measure is a smart investment. With its combination of precision, portability, and durability, it's sure to enhance your measuring experience. Thanks for watching the video.